Well, the history of commercials with Faygo is that in the late 40s, Donor and Company convinced the Fagensons to start advertising. And the first commercial they created for him was the Faygo Kid.
The stage they call the Wells Faygo Express. The cargo, so I hear, Faygo old-fashioned root beer. The tasty drink with creamy head goodness. Look out! It's a holdup! It's Black Bart!
Oh, save me! For my life, I fear!
Oh, hush up, gal. It's that famous drink I want. That case of Faygo old-fashioned root beer.
Stand where you are. Black Bart, you are through.
So the stagecoach went on heading through the mountains, and old Black Bart went off to jail, I hear.
The Faygo Kid. Which way did he go? Which way did he go? He went for Faygo!
He went for Faygo old-fashioned root beer.
The success of that was so extraordinary, you still meet people today all the time who say, which way did Faygo? Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Which was the commercial. It was a very, very clever commercial. And so Donor continued to create more of these. And it came to be in the Faygo markets that it was expected to have a new commercial or two every year. And they were always really brilliantly done by Donor. So that now, even though we haven't advertised in a long time in a strong way that we did before, that people still remember all those spots.
Frosh is for grown-ups. Yes, indeed. Low-calorie Frosh by Faygo, and handy no-return bottles. Any soft drink that's not made for small children can't be all bad.
There was a fellow by the name of Julian Grace who founded an advertising agency called W.B. Donor. And he believed in the 40s that television was where you had to be. So they produced Faygo television commercials. And we were like the first to really be on television. We had whole hours of television. Some great commercials.
I want a can of Faygo.
Well, and what flavor would you like?
What flavor you got?
We have orange, root beer, grape, berry, cherry cola, lemon, lime, fruit punch, rocket rye, and red pop.
I'll take red pop. I want a can of Faygo too, please.
And what flavor would you like?
What flavor you got?
Well, we have orange, root beer, grape, berry, cherry cola, lemon, lime, fruit punch, rock and rye, and red pop.
I'll take red pop.
All right.
I'll have some Faygo too, please.
And what flavor would you like, sir?
What flavors you got? I mean the sugar-free flavors.
Oh, well, we have dyed orange, grape, strawberry cherry, ginger ale, cola, root beer, and red pop, and they're all sugar-free.
I'll have a red pop. A big one.
When was the last time you had a good slug of red pop?
The Boat Song, which was the last big one, which was done in '73, was unfortunately really the last of it. That particular commercial, the song became so popular, it was literally number 3 with a bullet going up. There was a non-Faygo version made. And we at Faygo offered anybody who wanted it, because all of a sudden there was demand, we started, I forget the term, but printing records. It was just a nice, warm, kind of soft, remember when you were a kid, and all these warm memories of being a kid.
Everybody ready?
Comic books and rubber bands, climbing to the treetop, falling down and holding hands, tricycles and red pop, pony rides and Sunday nights, roller skates and yo-yos, fairy tales and snowball fights, climbing through the window. Remember when you were a kid? Well, part of you still is, and that's why we make Faygo. Faygo.
The founding family was the Fagenson family, and it started in 1907.
They were immigrant bakers by trade.
I believe the first 3 flavors were red pop, fruit punch, and grape. It's a very unique flavor, nothing like any other red soft drink that's in the United States. Very unique and very proprietary to Faygo.
And remember, of course, all the great red pop commercials and all like that. What is it about that particular pop that has just made that the most popular, I guess you could say, out of, any other flavor?
I think it starts with being a great, different flavor, and I think it's absolutely the history and the nostalgia of that flavor. The parents grew up with it, the grandparents had it, and the children, the next generations. It's always in the refrigerator.
What is it about Faygo that it's been able to maintain for so long, almost being an independent somewhat?
We think that the unique flavors that we come up with every year, 2 or 3 every year, and when they slow down, we get rid of the old ones, and we have the mainstay flavors, so we can continue to evolve and continue to come up with fun, new flavors every year.